If pressing the side button on your Apple Watch 11 does nothing or feels stuck, this is the official way to fix it. First is to open Apple support in your browser. Search for Apple Watch side button not working. Apple explains that side button issues are commonly caused by debris buildup, moisture, or temporary software glitches. This usually isn't a hardware failure. Scroll to the cleaning and troubleshooting section. Apple recommends that rinsing the side button with fresh water if debris or residue is present, gently pressing the button multiple times while rinsing. Drying the watch completely using a lint-free cloth. This removes particles that prevent the button from clicking properly. Next is to restart the Apple Watch. Restarting clears temporary system issues that can stop button inputs from registering. If the button still doesn't respond, Apple suggests a forced restart by holding the side button and digital crown until the Apple logo appears. If the side button still doesn't work, unpair and repair the Apple Watch using the Watch app and restore from backup. If the issue continues after the setup, Apple recommends contacting Apple support for hardware service.